Good morning. On Wednesday, the 23rd of August, new Bitcoin update. The daily chart, not much to see. We are going sideways since that big drop. Yesterday I said thinking about one more down and then possibly a bigger bounce, and after that even more down. But yeah, it's crypto. You never know with ETF decisions coming or delays. Could also be that we do get some fundamental push and that we start rallying much higher. Even on the 4 hour, not much to see. Well, we did take out that low, the Friday low. If I go to the to the 1 hour chart, you can see I draw this range where we took out the low. So we took out this low, took the stops, and we bounced. The current pattern tells me that we do have a kind of an impulsive move and now some correction. I'm actually hoping for this kind of move. If we get lower like this, then I would be interested for a long. But it is probably just a very small move, because I do think we have a lot of liquidity over here, or maybe here, and that we after that do get that extra leg to the downside and take out those who are already long with their stops below 25,226 on Coinbase. Yeah, sideways, ranging, not really fun to trade or interesting to trade. It's a slow market. But I did see some other signs. Well, I did already see them last week. After this drop, it started to build, and it's this sign. This is the crayons indicator from in silico here on above. With this is the FSVZO, a volume-based indicator, which is showing me reversal signs. You can see here these signs. That is a possible reversal coming up, and you can already see here that I mark do show this 43%. It is what I saw when we did have this reversal sign. The previous time was over here in June 22, and we saw a rise of 43% to 23,000. It doesn't mean that we go up right now from here. These are just warnings, and it could be very well that we do get one more leg down. And there is another warning. If you look here, you can see that we did have a similar signal over here, and it only led to a bearish flag before we saw more downside. But it is interesting that there is this is actually kind of the pattern we're doing now also. We did have here, let me clean that up. So down move, a bit of a bounce, sideways, and then another steep drop. So I do actually now have two examples what could happen here. And so we do get a bigger move to the upside or a bit of sideways, whereas I have to measure this because it's still 30%, so not bad at all. So on the daily, this looks like a small move, but that is because we have a very wide range here from 17,000 till 50,000. But in the end, if you zoom in, this is still a 30% move. And another example here giving a 43% move. So now when I go back to the latest price action, as said, we do have this reversal sign. It's on the bottom here. And if we now go on the lower time frame, we can check what happens there. And then see if we maybe do get a extra leg to the downside. Here was also a reversal sign, and it went sideways. The hull band indicator came down, and the price bounced exactly from that band. And you can see here it is coming down. It's starting to turn green here. So I'm slightly optimistic based on this that maybe the bottom is in and that we start going higher. But on the other hand, there's not much needed here, not much, to do one more down here, which would be take out that low and then up again. So what I said, not much needed here. There was a buying signal on the 4-hour just 10 minutes ago, but because Bitcoin is dropping now a little bit, that buy signal is gone. It is repainting because the candle didn't close yet. So yeah, what I said, not much needed to see here. This is not a strong reversal sign. It is only this band is turning green. So yeah, I still think that we can make this move like this and then up, and who knows, maybe then that big move, 40%, which should bring us to 36,000, would be a nice surprise. And let's follow this one, this chart also in the coming days and see if it made any sense. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again tomorrow.